All right, we have some breaking cruise news. We have a cruise cancellation on board the Norwegian Encore that we're going to get into right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, some quick breaking cruise news for you. This Sunday, November the 14th, the cruise on board the Norwegian Encore has been canceled due to the cruise ship being late. Got a statement here from Norwegian Cruise Lines. Dear valued guest and travel partners, on behalf of Norwegian Cruise Line, thank you very much for your loyalty and making us your vacation of choice. We have important information regarding your upcoming sailing on board the Norwegian Encore. As a result of unforeseen circumstances, Norwegian Encore's arrival to Miami will be delayed by 2 days. As a result, the November 14th, 2021 sailing has been canceled. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may cause, as we understand now more than ever the desire to travel and reconnect with the places and people we've missed most. Due to this unfortunate event, you will receive a full refund that will automatically be returned to the original form of payment provided at the time of your current reservation. No further action is required on your part. Your refund will be automatically processed within 3 business days and will be returned within 7 to 10 business days from the process date. The visibility of funds is dependent on your financial institution's internal policies. If your most current reservation was paid via a future cruise credit, 100% of the future cruise credit used will be reapplied to your Latitudes account. No further action is required. The future cruise credit will be automatically added within 7 business days. We sincerely appreciate your loyalty, and we cannot wait to provide you with the cruise vacation you've been dreaming about and likely need now more than ever. Therefore, in addition to the 100% refund or full return of your future cruise credit, the following offers may also be available when you choose to rebook. Receive a future cruise credit valued at 50% of the voyage fare paid. The 50% future cruise credit will be applied to your Latitude account and will be available as of November the 15th, 2021 for any voyage through December 31st, 2022. 35% off for a limited time only. Take advantage of our current promotion if you book a new cruise by November 30th, 2021 for any published voyage through 2024 and receive 35% off. Take all, again for a very limited time, if you book a new cruise by November 30th, 2021 for any published voyage through 2024, you may take all. This limited time offer is a tremendous value, allowing you to add all 5 of our free at sea amenities when you reserve select stateroom categories for any published voyage. Amenities include a free unlimited beverage package, free specialty dining, a free Wi-Fi package, free shore excursion credits, and reduced rates for family and friends, a value up to $4,000 per person. $150 free credit. Lower deposit if you purchase a $150 Cruise First certificate, which is a certificate towards your next cruise. We will match it with an additional $150 credit. For Cruise First terms and conditions, please visit norwegiancruiselines.com/cruisefirst. The combined value of these offers is well over $4,000 per person, and this is our way of showing you how much we appreciate you. All right, and that is the statement from Norwegian Cruise Lines. So you will be 100% automatically fully refunded. If you paid with a future cruise credit, it will be put back onto your Latitudes account, which is good. Everybody gets their money back. There are some offers there from Norwegian Cruise Lines if you want to take advantage of those. But of course, we all know the real bad part about this, the worst part about this. If you were scheduled to sail here in just a few days to find out your cruise is canceled, that's just like one of those heartbreaking experiences. to finally get there, to finally be ready to take your vacation and have it go away. So for the people that were going to get on the Norwegian Encore here this Sunday, I mean, I feel for you. I really, really do, because not being able to take your cruise is probably the worst part of this. But all right, just wanted to get that out there real quickly, just in case you were booked on that cruise, you hadn't checked your email yet to get this notification. Definitely take a look at that. If you want to rebook, go over to Norwegian.com, take a look at the offers they have available to you, and take advantage of those while you can. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick breaking cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.